fourth graders. Today we will start with a new lesson, lesson 10.4, titled Classify Quadrilaterals. In this lesson we will learn how to sort and classify quadrilaterals. First, let's start with this figure in front of you. This figure, you see some shapes. All of these shapes are called quadrilateral. The word quadrilateral itself came from two words originally. It means those two words are quad and literal. Quad means four, literal means sides. So it's a closed figure with four sides. Quadrilateral is a closed figure with four quadrilateral sides. Now, this quadrilateral become a little bit more special and starts having one pair of its opposite side as parallel, then we will call that quadrilateral as trapezoid. So look at these two sides, this one and this one. This is one pair of sides that are parallel, right? You can see if we extend them until forever, they will never meet. So they are parallel. So this is only one pair, one pair. However, look at the other two sides. No, they're not parallel. If you extend them, they may intersect. That's why it has only one pair. Okay, now this quadrilateral may have two. What if this quadrilateral will have two pairs that are parallel and opposite in the same side at the same time? So for example, like this shape. In this shape, we have every two opposite sides are parallel. So this one and this side, they are parallel and opposite to each other. This side and this side, they are parallel to each other. So here we have two pairs that are parallel to each other. What do you call this shape? We call it a parallelogram. Parallelogram, because it has all its sides, which are opposite to each other, are parallel. Now, we have one more special type of the quadrilateral, which we will not be focusing a lot on this lesson, but it's good to know its name. It's called a kite. A kite is also a quadrilateral. What is special about it is that every two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. Adjacent means next to each other. So this side and this side, they are adjacent and equal in size. So for example, this will be 4 centimeters, this will be 4 centimeters. Now, this one and this one, they are adjacent, right? This would be, for example, 7 centimeters, and this is 7 centimeters. So every two adjacent sides are equal in size. Actually, in this lesson, we will focus more on this part. Okay, now, what if we got a parallelogram which has two pairs that are parallel, but it's now, and we'll try to make it more special even. Now, let's try to make the sides of the parallelogram, all of the four sides equal in size. So let's look like here. Instead of having two long and two short, we'll have them all the same size, right? So they are still opposite and parallel, but what's special in this figure is that they are all the same size. In this case, we call that shape a rhombus.